Hey guys, Nick Miller, Dave Mark Supply Company today for you a brand new Erskine mini skid steer stump grinder. This is on a TX1000 today. It's going to fit all of your Toro Dingo style couplers. We can get this in also for an MT85, MT100, MT55. This unit, how these are set up, they just have a very generic 5-pin port here, just a plug. We actually, for test purposes today to show a video, we just zip tied this fast. You can take this mounting bracket, weld a bolt here, whatever you need to set that up so you have your electrical. Comes with hoses, flat face couplers. What we done today on this TX1000, I went ahead, hooked right into a cigarette lighter plug. Then you got your Sure Grip pistol grip control. So basically, you're going to have your up and down and then your left and right on your joystick. We mounted it right here with a 1/4-inch bolt with the TX1000. Actually, it was a pretty nice spot to put it. Does have a fusible link in it. Here's going to be your connector. You could run this down your boom if you want. Very easy install kit. If you want to make it removable, you can. Fully replaceable carbide teeth. Front flap on here, debris flap. These guys are using a hydraulic motor heading to an Omni gearbox and heading into your gear reduction for your stump grinder. These are a great grinder. We've sold a pile of these over the years. Just never took time to make a video. So today's that day. All right, Braden, fire her up. So, you're gonna watch here. He's gonna take and illustrate that to you. It's gonna swing to its right. And he's going to take and he's going to swing her back to the left. Keep in mind you can control the tilt of that off of your tilt cylinder on your loader, and you're going to see here in a second whenever he takes and he tilts down with the head. Tilt down with the head, Braden. Now you can see there you can go ahead then and grind below ground with that. And obviously we have the boom up in the air. It's not traditionally how you're going to grind a stump. It gets you the principle of what we're doing here. So, guys, if you're looking for any Erskine products, let us know. We are a dealer for that product. We stock a fair amount of their stuff. They make some very good quality pieces, especially in this mini skid steer stuff. This is a very nice setup, very ready to go. Any questions, 814-658-3066, see our website. If you need attachments, we got stuff to help you out. Thanks, guys. As always, thank you very much for checking out our supply company. Have a great day.